Alright guys, here's just a little instructional video to help you when you're working on this week's assignment, the Earth's History Worksheet. So the first part, mass extinctions, that's pretty easy. You just gotta click on this link and it'll tell you these percent of species lost and what the mass extinctions were caused by. Don't forget to do this easy little extra credit bit. The second part, the age of the, so you're going to look at page 387 in the book. So I've got the PDF of the book open here. If you have your physical copy of your book, that's just as good too. But you would go to page 387, which is quite a ways. Won't let me grab the little bar, so I have to scroll. This is what page 387 looks like, and so you just look at this chart to help you do this part. The part that's going to take the longest is part 3, this geologic timescale. So it says use page 364 to 385 in the book. And so I've got all of those book pages here for you. And so you're going to be looking at this list of different events that happened throughout geologic time, and then you're going to be putting them into this table during the period when they occurred. So the easiest way to do this I put here in helpful hint number 3. Go to the index in the back of the book to help you narrow down which page you should be looking on. So what you do, now of course I have to scroll all the way down again. Can I just do this thing? Nope, I gotta keep going. Scroll, scroll, scroll. So the index in the back looks like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to just start at the top. We'll start with amphibians emerge. So we're going to go to the index and we're going to look for the word amphibians so we know where in the book section to look. So we find, here's ALAM, amphibians, page 373. And so we're going to scroll up here, now it's working, to page, there's 375, 374, here's page 373. And so it talks about amphibians that evolved from fishes during the Devonian life. And so there we're going to go to the Devonian section right here of our table, and we would type in amphibians emerge. Okay, so that's really not too difficult. It doesn't take too long as you're using the index portion. In this picture column, you're just going to, kind of like how we did with the mineral worksheet, you're just going to go online, Google up amphibians, choose a little picture of an amphibian. Here's a little salamander looking guy. You could also have something like a frog. And then you're just going to paste it in here. Make sure it's kind of smallish so this table doesn't get to be super duper huge. But yeah, I hope that helps.